Seriously, they're really growing. As you can see in the previous clip, I was showing a bird. Now, I will put a link to the video that I did where I showed the nest where the babies are and where I showed the babies. We have been watching these birds make a nest in that place
since the beginning of this year, and I really didn't think they would actually follow through with it, just because we go in and out of the house all the time, and I really thought they would think better of it, but they didn't. And then I noticed the mama sitting on the nest quite a lot more than before and everything, and I really didn't think that the eggs would survive, but they hatched this past Sunday, the 10th on Mother's Day of all days, and I've been watching them grow. They're already almost grown. They just need to grow their feathers, and I think, and it's just so amazing watching them grow. So the first clip is, I think, the mom kind of just swinging on the planter and keeping a watch out on her babies. I'm like so obsessed with it, so there probably will be more clips after this little snippet, because it's just so amazing, and it's such a rarity to be able to watch the mother taking care of her babies and watching the babies grow. They should be out of the nest, not this Sunday, but the next Sunday after, probably the 24th. So I'm very excited just to watch them going, and it doesn't take as long as I was going to hope, because I would love to have them a little bit longer. And so I shall see. We're going to be a little bit more careful about things, because they're probably going to start learning how to fly, and that's going to be a bit of a scary thing for us, but it is also very exciting. Tell me down below if you've ever seen a nest, seen babies learn how to fly. These are finches, and I think they're called red-breasted finches because the male actually has a red neck and kind of goes around the back. I'm not even sure they're called that at all, but the male is very feisty. He likes to kind of peer into our window with a little peeping Tom. But yeah, this is all I had to show you all. I hope you are enjoying these little snippets I've been showing. I really am having a lot of fun doing these things. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and keep smiling.
Nikki, hey, I love you. Wanna go for a walk? Want food? You wanna go? You wanna go to bed? You wanna sleep? Anything and everything works for you, huh, Nikki? They're seriously getting way more active. I've been noticing that they've been playing with each other or doing something. They're getting so big that they can't really hide anymore. I actually thought that there were only 2 of them, but there are 3 baby birds, you could tell from that clip. One of them is a male. You can see the orange coming in a little.
County Federal Credit Union.
apparently the baby birds have flown the coop. I don't know how it happened, when it happened. I woke up and they were gone. I can't believe it. I was totally excited to see them starting to learn how to fly, but they just did it. They just went. Maybe they've been practicing it without me knowing. Like, I just can't figure out how it happened. Like, why, I don't know. It's just, it happened too soon. I just feel like it just all happened way too soon. But anyways, now on to some weird news. First, I had a frog in my bathroom a couple months ago. And then today, I swear, I saw a lizard running back and forth in my room. Maybe I was seeing things. I have no freaking clue. And I'm just like, I don't even want my feet on the ground because I'm so scared that the lizard is gonna just come right out again. But haven't been able to find it, so maybe I was seeing things. Maybe. Get outside?
Maybe your purpose is to get a sort of practice on and you know it's going to happen to start and you're going to have something to look for when something gets done. When you see videos that are small, you know videos that people are good at, you're not going to be stuck on it.
Well, barn, get it over with. What are you thinking? Huh? Tell me. Tell me what you're thinking. Nicky! Nicky! Hey, stop ignoring me. Rocky. Oh. Is your name Rocky, Nicky? Tell me.